everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking at how we add and subtract matrices. So let's do this using an example. And the way we add matrices, subtraction as well, because the one's related to the other really, is you take each of the elements in the matrix that are in the same position. Right? So in this case, this would be first column, first row. That would also be first column, first row. And you add those two in order to get the first column, first row of your final matrix. All right? So that is going to be this one here. Then you take next one, first row, second column, first row, second column, and you'll get, what's that, 10 would be in this position here, right? And you do them for each of these, right? Now say we were to subtract these two matrices, you do the exact same thing. So say 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6 minus 1, 8, 9, 3, 5, 4, and then again first row, first column minus the first row, first column, so it's going to be 4. Okay, so you see again exactly the same as addition. Each of the elements in the same position you add or subtract in order to get your final answer. So what this also means is that the matrices that you're adding or subtracting have to have the same order. So you can't, for example, do 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6 and then add a square matrix. Alright, so you can't do 1, 5, 2 minus 1. You can't do that, right? That's not going to work because the order here is different. This is a 2 by 3 and this is a 2 by 2, right? So that won't work. And that's how simple it is for addition and subtraction. I'll see you in the next video where we look at multiplication.